Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In this short video, I'll show you how you can fix the SIM card problem on your Itel Zeno 100 device. Just follow the steps shown in this video to complete the process quickly and correctly. And if you find this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon for more useful guides. Now let's start the tutorial.